For today's wellness discussion, I am reviewing an acupressure mat that I purchased from Amazon. So here is the acupressure mat, and we typically use this for our back body, and it also comes with a neck pillow. So in terms of materials, on the inside of the acupressure mat, we have foam, so it makes it nice and squishy and soft. The purple stuff right here is cotton, and these white pieces are plastic. So these plastic pieces are called nails, and each nail has 27 acupressure points. The points that I am referring to are these spikes that are in each and every single nail. On the mat itself, there are over 6,000 of these spikes, and on the neck pillow, there are over 1,500 spikes. These plastic pieces are sharp to the touch. I'll just show you what my thumb looks like. You can see the marks on there. This mat is not intended to pierce the skin whatsoever. It will just simply leave marks on your skin. The following are some of the benefits of the acupressure mat and pillow. The points on the acupressure mat and pillow can help increase circulation, encouraging the blood to flow to the areas that it is touching. As a result, that area of your body may begin to feel really warm. The acupressure mat and pillow are fantastic tools that can help relieve tension, pain, and stiffness in the neck, the back, as well as the shoulders. It is also said that the mat and the pillow are really great for relaxation and restoration, which can help us sleep better. I personally use this product to reduce tension in my upper back and my neck. I also use it for whenever I have a tension headache or a migraine. If I do catch that headache early enough, sometimes the headache just disappears, which is a huge bonus for me. Some other amazing benefits include the fact that it is super lightweight, it is easy to store, you can even travel with it because most of the time they come with their own traveling bag, and it does come in a variety of colors, so you can choose your favorite color. There are so many benefits and reasons to use this product. I have personally found the most success with tension reduction. Now I will discuss and demonstrate how to use both the acupressure mat and pillow. First off, you can lay on the mat either on your back or your stomach. You can stand on it, sit on it, and you can also use this mat for various yoga postures, which I will demonstrate later on in this video. For my first time, I decided to make use of the more traditional way of laying on the mat, so I laid down on my back, and I also made use of the neck pillow. The reviews that I read recommended that either you wear a very thin t-shirt or even drape a thin sheet across the acupressure mat if you are using this mat for the first or even the second time, because it can feel a little bit painful or uncomfortable. So even with that in mind, I was like, nah, I'll be okay. So I just decided to do skin to mat contact, and let me tell you, it was definitely painful and uncomfortable. I only stayed on this mat for 5 minutes, but it did feel like an eternity. With that being said, my second time using this mat was so much better. I think it's just because both my mind and my body knew what to expect. I also think that it is important to mention that we will all feel something different using this product. For example, my fiance, he used it no problem for the first time, did not experience any pain or discomfort. Instead, he just felt complete relaxation. I personally recommend using the mat for at least 5 minutes, and then you can gradually work your way up to 10, 15, 20 minutes, just so that way you have the opportunity to really get used to the sensations. It is said that if you are looking for energy as well as stimulation, then you can use the mat for up to 20 minutes and between 20 to 40 minutes for deep relaxation. After using this product, it is very likely that your skin will be red, there will be marks, and your skin may feel itchy. And this is just simply due to the blood flowing to that area of the body. Alrighty, now I'm going to demonstrate some of the ways in which you can use the acupressure mat and pillow. We are going to start off by exploring the more traditional way of using the acupressure mat and pillow. So let's come to lay on our back, lying down, feet planted on the floor with our knees up towards the sky. That way our low back can get some TLC. We are going to use our neck pillow to support the back of our neck. Your head will be tilted back slightly. If you experience low back discomfort, you can use your neck pillow and place it under the low back for tension and pain relief. You can also use your neck pillow while sitting down on the couch. It can help maintain that gorgeous curvature at the back of your neck. You can even come to a seated posture on your acupressure mat, such as easy pose. Now extend your legs out long, coming into staff pose. This can target some of the acupressure points at the backs of our legs. You can stand on the mat to stimulate the feet in mountain pose, which can help bring some energy to your feet. You can even go into a forward fold from here. Personally, I use this mat for legs up the wall. Since my back body is already used to using this mat, I stay here for at least 20 minutes for deep relaxation. These are just a few of the ways in which you can use this acupressure mat and pillow for everyday use or even for yoga postures. Overall, I love this product. I love the fact that it washes the tension from my neck and my upper back body, leaving both my mind and my body feeling calm and relaxed. If you have ever used an acupressure mat, feel free to let me know what you thought about it in the comment section down below. I have provided the link to the acupressure mat that I use, both in the description box below this video and in the comment section. I highly recommend this product. Big thumbs up for me. Thank you so very much for listening. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel and also ring that notification bell so that way you and I can stay connected. Take care and namaste.